In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up videos in Canva. If you want a quick, polished way to make your clips feel snappier, time-lapse a scene, or match your video pacing to your audio, this simple method will do the trick without any complexity. Start by opening your project, then move to the specific page where your video clip is placed. Canva organizes your design into pages, so make sure you're on the page that actually contains the video you want to adjust. Once you're there, click directly on the video in the canvas area to select it. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box appears around it and a toolbar shows up above the canvas. If you don't see the toolbar, simply click the video once more to confirm it's selected. On that toolbar, look for the speed indicator. By default, it usually displays as 1x, which means your clip is playing at its original speed. Click that 1x label to open the speed controls. This will reveal a slider that lets you fine-tune how fast the video plays. The control is very intuitive. Dragging the slider to the right increases the speed. As you move it, you'll typically see the speed value update, like 1.2x, 1.5x, or 2x, depending on how far you slide. Keep your adjustments gradual if you want a natural, clean look. Small increments can make a big difference in pacing without feeling jarring. When you increase the speed, a couple of helpful things happen automatically. The overall duration of that clip shortens, which can help you tighten your timeline. If your video has audio, you may notice the sound changes with the speed as well. Faster speeds can make audio punchier or sometimes less intelligible. So choose a speed that supports your story. Visually, faster speeds are great for showing processes, transitions, or before and after moments in a more dynamic way. If you're working with multiple clips on the same page, remember that the speed control applies to the clip you've selected. You can repeat the same click and slide action for any other clip you want to speed up to keep your pacing consistent. And if you go too far, it's easy to pull the slider back toward 1x to restore a more natural flow. That's all you need. Open your project, select the video, click the 1x on the toolbar, and drag the slider to the right to make it faster. With this quick adjustment, you can instantly boost energy, trim runtime, and create a more engaging final video right inside Canva.